welcome to Almo Fam. I'm back with one healthy video for you. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever we upload a video. So this video is for people only who want to lose their weight. I'm not criticizing anyone. It's a personal choice. If you want to lose weight, you are in the correct place. So now let's gonna see how to lose weight very easily without any strict diet and with minimal workouts. You just need 1 month of time to lose 5 kilos. If you want to lose more weight, make sure that you are continuing this diet for a more period of time. And if you want to lose weight, there are many tips and also many things you have to take care of. It's not just about diet or workout. There are many things in losing weight. It should be very healthy and it should not affect our health also. Now let's see how to lose weight, and in this video I'm going to show what I ate in 1 week and how much time did I work out and how much weight I lost. So it's like a proof for you guys. So if you want to believe can you lose weight using this diet or not, just see my video and you will know for yourself whether you can lose weight or not. Now let's get into the video and see what it is and how it is about. There are many tips in the whole video guys. Make sure that you don't skip the video and watch completely so that you don't miss any one of the tips. I have given the tips in the middle of the video such that if you want every tip, you have to watch every single second of the video. Whenever you are having your breakfast or lunch, try to eat it in a small plate. If you are having in a small plate, your mind will come to a conclusion that okay, you are taking in full quantity, and also you will feel full after having less quantity of food. So 3 days are done guys. I have started with 59 kilos, as you have seen it's like 59.2, and I have included in my diet everything. Like I had protein, I had carbohydrates, I had probiotic food, and also I had junk food also, as you have seen. So it's not like you should not eat junk food at all to lose your weight. Many people say that you should completely avoid junk, or you should completely avoid carbohydrates, you should not eat rice at all. It's completely myth. Whatever you eat, make sure that you are eating in a limited quantity. Even it is a healthy food, if you are taking more than limit, you might gain weight. So carbohydrates are very necessary for us because it gives you the energy to work throughout the day. Not only the protein, carbohydrates are very important to build up our body. So we need carbohydrates to work out. We need protein to build up muscle. And junk food, it's like to make sure that you're not completely restricting yourself from the food. If you're completely restricting with the junk food, someday or at some point of time you might feel depressed or distressed, and you will binge it on the food. Instead of eating 5 chips, you might eat 10 packets of chips at a time. So if you feel like eating anything junk, or if you want to have a chocolate or a cake, just have a small piece of it. Eating a dark chocolate 1 to 2 pieces daily is very helpful, and it is also very healthy. It is more like it helps for your brain and also for your body. So it's not like you have to restrict everything. You can have the food in minimal amounts, whatever you want. But make sure that you are eating for every 2 to 3 hours. As a person, like I'm not feeling hungry these days, otherwise I'm a person who eats for every 2 hours. So otherwise, at least make sure that you are eating something for every 4 hours. Don't eat junk food. If you are feeling hungry, have a cucumber, carrot or beetroot. Many people think that beetroots can't be eaten raw, but you can have raw beetroot also. Just cut into pieces and have them with a carrot. So if you are a fan of salads, you can make a salad and have it. And the 3 days are gone and the other 3 days are there. So make sure that you watch till the end of the video so that you will get to know how to lose weight in a more healthier way. So here I want to share one tip. If you are having food, suppose think your stomach has 100% capacity of eating, make sure that you are having food only up to 50%, and the remaining 50% in that have 25% of water, and make sure that you are leaving the other 25% empty, because your stomach needs at least some space to digest the food and also to have great metabolism. If you are having complete food and you are feeling it 100%, the digestion may not be good, you might have a lesser metabolism, and also it's not healthy process of eating, and you will feel always heavy in your stomach. You will not be able to do any works, you will feel lazy, you might want to take rest. It all happens. So make sure that you are only having 75% of your stomach. So this is one tip. And the other tip, so if you are having rice items, make sure that you are having little rice and more of curry. Like include more leafy vegetables in your food. It might be like palak or anything, but have more leafy vegetables and also green vegetables. Like include cucumber and carrot daily in your food. At least have half a cucumber a day and 1 carrot a day. It does miracles to your stomach, and also you won't feel hungry for a longer period of time. And you have also seen I have included muesli and also oats. The main reason behind including them is if I have them, I won't feel hungry for at least like 2 to 3 hours of time. So if I had oats, you won't believe it, I won't feel hungry for almost 4 hours. That is the main reason I include oats in my food. And also I had a banana every day. So 2 bananas will give you the energy to work out for almost 90 minutes. So if you're not working out, just 1 banana gives a lot of energy. So don't restrict guys, have whatever you want, but in a limited quantity. Divide your plate into 3 to 4 sections, making sure that you have carbohydrates, fiber, probiotics and also protein food, so that you can cover all the vitamins and proteins in your food. After taking any food, it takes almost 15 minutes to get digested and also to register in your body that you have taken food. So within that 15 minute span of time, you might feel hungry again. But wait for that 15 minutes of time. If you still feel hungry after half an hour of eating your food, drink water. Here I have started with cardio and muscle training workouts. If you are new to the workouts, make sure that you just start with walking or brisk walking or slow jogging or running, whichever is comfortable to you. But don't strain your body with heavy workouts at the starting days itself. As you proceed and as your stamina increases, you can go for the heavier workouts. Losing weight is just not a single day or single week thing. It might take a long time. Just not like 1 or 2 month ceremony. You should make it as a habit and include in your daily routine and continue it here for a long period of time, and make sure that you are working at least 5 times per week. And also try not to avoid your workouts more than 3 days. So if you are giving a gap of 3 days, make sure that again you are coming back to your workout routine and doing your workouts daily. Even after losing weight, maintaining the gained weight is also very important. So you have to work out daily and make sure that you're following a proper diet, not necessarily the same diet. You can change your diet according to your wish and also the situations where you are living. So the main tip in following diet and also in working out is you have to hydrate yourself a lot. Make sure that you are drinking at least 4 to 5 liters of water a day so that you are not dehydrating yourself.
So guys, 7 days are done. You have seen all my diet, what I have done, and you have seen I have worked out every day. So the day 7th is my active rest day. So I made sure that I just had some active workouts. It's not like completely deep workout. I just had walking or running. So weekly one day, make sure that you're having a rest day. Otherwise you'll feel like stressed, or you may get a feeling like always I'm doing workout or always I'm on a diet. So it's okay to have a cheat day per week, or if you are capable, you can have cheat day per month also. It depends on you. So I have rest day for every week, and for me it's not like cheat day for a single day. I'll have junk food whenever I feel like eating. As you have seen, I had jamun also. So whatever I have shown in the video, I had that food only. And sometimes if I feel hungry, I had a little extra also, but I think I didn't shoot that. So even though I had all these food, you have seen I have lost 1.1 kg for 1 week. So if I had if I had excluded junk food, I might have lost 1.5 kg also, or it might be 2 kgs. But 2 kgs losing is not healthy. 1.5 kg per week is fine. So I have lost 1.1 kilo. So if you try this diet also, you will definitely lose the weight. But if you are starting new, if you are new to the diet and workout, the body will take time to adjust to the diet and also the workout. So in the starting stages, for 2 to 3 weeks, it might be less, like you might lose only half a kg per week or 400 grams per week. But make a point there, you are making some progress, you are losing some weight. It's not like you are just standard. So if you are starting the diet, so for example, you have a habit of eating 5 idli for breakfast, make sure you are eating only 4 for the first week. And later on, based on your body weight, you can reduce it. So if you are eating 4 chapati at the night time, make sure you are having 3. Don't cut down drastically. If you are having 5 idli, don't come down to 2 idli. So slowly reduce your food and also increase the workouts. And to the workouts, I want to say one important thing here. Many people think that in order to lose weight, only cardio workouts are very important. It's not like that. cardio workouts make sure that you lose your weight. But the muscle training workouts are very important in order to reduce the loss of muscle. And also, if you didn't work out for 2 to 3 weeks, if you have more muscle weight instead of fat mass, you won't gain weight very easily. So make sure that you are including both cardio and muscle training workouts in your daily session. So in order to work out for cardio and muscle training, make sure that you are having pre-workout and post-workout foods. So for post-workout, I had juice every day. It is made up of carrots, beetroots, cucumbers, tomatoes with a hint of lemon and also honey. So it gives you more vitamins and also strength after the post-workout session. So before workout, I had peanut butter. It's not like same for every day. I had peanut butter one day, I had fruits the other day, as you have seen. Sometimes I didn't have anything at all, because if the afternoon session I had heavy, I won't feel hungry, so that I didn't have. In the workout sessions, I did for almost 30 to 45 minutes of workout, but I didn't show you everything. I showed you only the ab workout because it's my favorite workout. So I have done cardio and also muscle training workouts. That is the reason I didn't lose more weight. If I had done only cardio for every day, I might have lost more weight also, but it's not healthy. And also I will gain weight very easily if I stop the workouts. So make sure that you are doing both cardio and also strength training workouts. So protein food is very important to improve muscle mass. So make sure you are including eggs and boiled chicken in your food. And also take fish because it has high vitamins and is good for your health. And if you are a vegetarian, there are many more protein foods in veg. People think that you have to definitely eat non-veg to have protein food. It's nothing like that. If you are a vegetarian, there are many foods such as you can have tofu, you can have paneer, and also green gram. Green gram has high protein food than eggs. So if you are a vegetarian, make sure that you are including it in your diet. Pulses are very important. And one more thing, in one of the diet you can see I have included horse gram. Horse gram is the highly caloric food, but just one bowl of horse gram can keep you not hungry for like 3 to 4 hours. I just had one bowl, that is enough for my night food. And also it is highly protein and it gives you more stamina also. It is highly strength food. Just one bowl gives you more energy for your workouts and also it gives you more protein. So now I have lost to 58.1 as you have seen. So I have lost 1.1 kg. It's not a small thing. So if you are doing it consistently, you might lose more for 1 week. But make sure that you are not losing more than 1.5 kg per week because it's not that healthy. So this is it, guys. If there are any tips I have forgotten, please let me know in the comment section. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, make sure that you like, share and also subscribe to Allmo Fam. So I'll be back with many more healthy recipes, healthy videos, skincare tips and skincare routine in Allmo Fam. And also in addition to all this, we already have some videos in Allmo Fam channel. Please make sure that you check those videos too. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.